Abdul here from Azalea Landscaping. Today we are here in downtown Ottawa at our Hinton Avenue project, where we've done the garage, the driveway, and the backyard oasis. Let's check it out. Part of what makes this project challenging is you have to get around all the legal setbacks and proximity to the neighbors. That's why we bring the plans, drawings, and sit down with the neighbors to ensure that they're always satisfied. If they have any concerns, we meet them before we start the project. Whenever you pave a driveway, you always need to make sure water's flowing away from the house towards the street, and you need to make sure that water does not flow into your neighbor's property. That's why this project, we built a retaining wall to protect the neighbor's property and ensure that the swale carries water from the back all the way to the street. Coming from the garage, we have this beautiful seating area with access to both doors and some grass for the dogs to run around it. So what did we do here? We built the garage, did the patio, and put the grass in. But we also built railings, stairs, retaining walls. But you might say, why two sets of stairs? One should serve as your main entrance into the living room and out towards the patio. But you build another set of stairs to go from the kitchen into the mudroom and out towards the garage. That entrance should serve as your main entry to get your groceries in and out, take the trash out, and keep it separated from your main living space. Once all the hardscaping is done, we plant, we mulch, and then the job is done. If you need your landscaping upgraded, call us today. We'd love to make it happen since this is what we do best.